Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically claim this bonus dress on Dress to Impress. Here is the dress. I'm just gonna show it to you guys right now. But to claim it, you're just going to have to open up the advent calendar like prizes every single day. So make sure you do it every like I don't know like the time for you guys, but it says here the next admin day is in 7 hours. So just keep that in mind when you're like claiming the advent calendar prizes. You'll get the dress once you've claimed all of it. We've only reached day two. Day two we got the like stocking with the shoes. I'll show it to you guys right now. And I'll like wear a hat. Oh, went the wrong way. Here are the advent calendar kind of like prizes that we have so far. So yeah, just open it every single day if you can. That is it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.